Okay, got a broken laptop screen here. I'm going to show you how to replace it. You can see it's all shattered. I'm going to turn it off first. And for safety, I'll pop the battery out. Set that aside. I've already had it apart so that I could get the screen numbers. So I'll walk you through what I did to take it apart. There's these little rubber covers that cover two screws on the bottom of the screen. Take the covers out, just kind of pry them out, and then you unscrew those screws, and then you can pry off this whole bezel. I used a flathead screwdriver. I suggest something plastic if you can find it. It'll work better and have less of a chance of damaging the bezel. Okay, so this just comes off. And you can see inside here, there's some more screws. I removed about 10 of them. I don't think you need to take all of them out, but I did it. So there's screws down here. And then two up here. These ones for sure have to come out. I put one back in to show. Try not to lose them. And then once all those screws are off, the whole back will just fall away. Careful not to pull any of the wires attaching it out. And then you've got screws on the edge of the screen that you're going to have to take out. These guys are really small, so be careful with them. One side's free. I want to be careful not to drop the screen now, and to watch the connectors on the back that they don't get pulled and broken. Now, the screen can just fall forward here. You'll notice this is your connection that you want to do. Okay. Peel off the tape here. And then peel up this tape that's actually holding the connector in. It should just pull away easier than this. And carefully pry it off with a flathead screwdriver just to get that. Set that aside. Take the old screen out of here. And set your new screen just back on the keyboard where it was. Hopefully there's something to protect the front of the screen This one has a plastic protector on it still. And then you reattach your connector here. Line it up and pull it with the tape, and then you can use the tape to hold it in place. Then you just lift it up into the frame that you took the old one out of, and we'll screw it back into place. Get these out of the way. So there's the 4 screws on each side. All I'm doing is putting them back together the same way they were taken apart. Protection off. Okay, now we're going to put our front bezel on. Click it in all the way around. Add the 2 screws that came out of it. and just replace our rubber screw covers. There we go.